held my eyes to the half-barren trees, and colorful glory, my breath repeats the change. The air in my lungs, the seasons exchange. Acoustic folk and campfire smoke, apple cider, chai candle reminders. The sounds of autumn are here. The sounds of autumn I hear. Crimson, gold, and auburn, and lovely woolen sweaters, a cozy invitation from the autumn weather. Kids shouting in the park, running, leaping into the leaves. There's so much joy just before the winter's breeze. Acoustic folk and campfire smoke, apple cider, chai candle reminders. The sounds of autumn are here. The sounds of autumn I hear. Is it odd that so much joy comes from the herald of death, that all will go down into peace and rest? Could it be just I who sees it strange? Is there something beautiful in the change? Though it dies and won't ever be the same, won't ever be the same. Acoustic folk and campfire smoke, apple cider, chai candle reminders. The sounds of autumn are here. The sounds of autumn I hear. The sounds of autumn are here. The sounds of autumn I hear. The sounds of autumn are here. The sounds of autumn are clear.